So I thought today I might make a quick video on the McCruise cruise control. I've got the cruise control installed on the Transalp here. We've got the slim switch installed. Just show you how this works and we'll go for a ride. So this is on off at the top. We've got cancel right here, cruise set there, and increment 2 km/h up, and then decrement down there. Alrighty, let's get going. Third gear, 40 k's an hour. Not that you usually do this is a bit choppy. Pull the clutch in or step on the brake to stop. We'll just use the brake this time, rear brake. That's cancelled it, no problem. Okay, so now we're at 5th gear, 70 km/h zone. We'll try and get that exactly. Cruise control's on. So this isn't much of a test going along a flat, but it's useful. It feels much the same here at 70 k's an hour as it does at 80 or 100. It holds pretty good. We'll chase some hills in a minute, so we can see. Let's go up to 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Presses of the button. And we're doing 80 just nicely. Excellent. I used to have a Kia Carnival a few years ago, and the cruise control in it was pretty poor. So when you start coming up a hill like this, it would take a minute to realise what was going on. It'd slow down, then you come up here like this and it'd accelerate, and then by the time you got to the top of the hill here, you'd be doing 85, 86, and then down the other side here you'd be going just too fast. So that's pretty good. This one, 82 there is maximum it got up to. It probably doesn't look like it in the video, but that's a moderately steep little hill that you usually find in your travels. So that's good. I'm pretty happy with that. I've had this for a while, so I'm not surprised, but I'm being very analytical today just because this video is about the cruise control. 5th gear, let's go to 6th. And we press this button to set again. Okay, now top gear, 6th gear, we'll see how it handles in 6th. Okay, we'll see how we go down this little hill. It's backed off, I can feel it. Very good. Okay, so I've turned around now and we're going to go back up this hill we just came down. See how it goes. I'm in 6th gear, which is too high for this hill, but we'll just see what happens. No worries. Alright, and then down the other side, let's see what we get up to. '81. I don't know if you can get much better than that. That's phenomenal. This is a drive-by-wire motorcycle, so no throttle cable. So all the cruise control on this is electronic. show you that later. So let's take it back to the garage and we'll have a look at what's involved in installing this thing. So back in the garage now, this is the manual that comes with the cruise control system from McCruise. In the packaging you get your slim switch, you have a wiring harness to help put this thing together, and some zip ties and some Velcro, sticky Velcro stuff to help secure the computer. So I've put the computer right here underneath this panel, kind of just on the outside of the frame here. Cables connect in down here. I don't know if you can see that. I can't really see that very well. But the only real interesting bit, I suppose, that isn't plug and play, is straightforward, are these two wires right here. So this is the factory harness coming here, comes out. So in here is the factory pin that plugs into there, but you have to pop it out with a pin. It's like a sewing pin. It wasn't too difficult, and then you connect it to the McCruise harness here, which goes in this direction. So this is completely reversible. You've got the pin and the socket inside there. I've just put some shrink wrap around those. The rest of it's pretty straightforward. Wiring comes along here and then up the side of the bike through there, and then up the steering column to here. It took me about an hour or more, a little bit more than an hour, I suppose, to go through this. This manual is really good too. So you've got photographs with nice directions about all the different things you've got to do, like remove from this grommet and press this in and that type of thing. So that's really quite nice. So I recommend this McCruise cruise control system. It works really well, and it wasn't too hard to install, and it's cheaper now than when I bought it. I think under $800 now. I think I paid $1,100. So yeah, well worth it to make your Transalp cruise controllable. That's if you ride for hours and hours. It works pretty well.